Bearing replacement is not the first answer to every noisy fan motor. A qualified technician should first separate bearing evidence from rubbing, imbalance, loose mounting, belt or airflow noise, electrical tones, and structural resonance. This film is a service planning guide, not permission for unqualified repair. Before disassembly, confirm that the exact motor is field serviceable and that the work is authorized. Sealed or integrated EC motors, hazardous location equipment, smoke control systems, warranty units, and life safety applications may require an approved repair facility or complete replacement. Identify every energy source, lock and tag it, control stored electrical and mechanical energy, and verify zero voltage and zero rotation. Support the fan, rotor, and motor with rated equipment so no assembly can fall, roll, or create a pinch or crush point. Preserve the as-found condition before moving parts. Record wiring, rotation, end bell orientation, shims, spacers, wave washers, snap rings, seals, bearing positions, and clearances. Keep the failed bearing as root cause evidence instead of discarding it. Read the complete bearing designation, including suffixes. Clearance, seals or shields, precision, cage, grease, temperature, speed, load, and electrical insulation requirements can change the correct selection. A similar outside diameter does not make a bearing equivalent. Measure the shaft and housing fits and inspect their shoulders, seats, and retaining features. Wear, fretting, corrosion, burrs, or distortion must be resolved by an approved repair decision. Peening, glue, improvised shims, or casual grinding do not restore an engineered fit. For removal, the force path must follow the ring that has the interference fit. Use a rated, guarded puller or press with purpose-made support. Never transmit extraction force through the rolling elements, and never substitute hammers, chisels, random sockets, or unverified pipe. Installation follows the same force path rule. A controlled press acts only on the fitted ring. If thermal mounting is approved, use controlled bearing heating equipment in the specified temperature process. Open flame and uncontrolled hot plates or oil baths are not acceptable. Cleanliness is part of bearing life. Protect open bearings and lubricants from dust, moisture, and dirty gloves. Use the exact approved lubricant, compatibility, and quantity, restore specified preload or endplay, and reinstall every retainer in torque requirement. Never spin a bearing with compressed air. Use the teardown as a root cause checkpoint. Inspect the shaft, rotor, windings, magnets, sensors, and electronics. Electrical fluting on VFD or EC systems needs a system-level correction, while disturbed impeller position may require alignment, runout, clearance, balance, and vibration verification. Reassemble the motor with grounds, covers, guards, and fan clearances restored. Initial operation needs an exclusion zone and protected observation. Acceptance must use the specified configuration, mounting, speed, measurement points, and limits, not a phone app or the impression that it sounds quieter. Close the job with a repair passport, motor identity, bearing designation, fit findings, lubricant, retained parts, assembly checks, and measured acceptance results. A traceable replacement protects the next technician and turns a bearing change into a controlled reliability decision.